Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update now. First, verify Windows updates are current and free up roughly 5 GB so installers run smoothly. Once done, back up your critical Excel workbooks to OneDrive or an external drive. Make sure file versions are safe. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm payment details if upgrading to Microsoft 365. Now, open the Microsoft Store or Office. This starts the concrete process of moving from Excel 2007 to a modern version. You next select the product and handle the installer with care. If you pick Microsoft 365, you get continuous updates. A one-time purchase gives a static feature set. Choose based on needs. Download the installer from the Microsoft Store or Office. Then right-click and run as administrator so permissions don't block files. Follow on-screen prompts and grant network access when requested. Make sure to close Excel and other Office apps before installation. This prevents file conflicts and speeds up the process substantially. You wrap up by activating and validating the new Excel install. Sign in with your Microsoft account to activate, then run Windows Update and Office Update to get the latest security fixes. Open old XLS files. Excel may run them in compatibility mode. Save important sheets as XLSX to enable new features and better performance. If you hit issues, start with Office Repair from Programs and Features. If activation or crashes persist, reinstall the product and reapply updates, and make sure your antivirus isn't blocking the installer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.